presenting the iconic voice therapist and speech-language pathologist of the year, and it goes to SLP Sanjay Kumar. Ladies and gentlemen, he stands as a preeminent speech-language pathologist and audiologist specializing in the non-surgical management of voice disorders. An esteemed alumnus of AIIMS New Delhi and AIISH Mysore, he is the visionary founder of the renowned Sanjay Speech Hearing and Rehabilitation Center situated at Bangalore. Through his distinguished career, he has garnered acclaim for his expertise in treating voice disorders, instilling a beacon of hope worldwide. It's time for us to put our hands together for the one who's trained singers, actors, RJs, corporate leaders and public speakers. Let's give it up for SLP Sanjay Kumar.
I'm SLP Sanjay Kumar, and our center name is Sanjay Speech Hearing and Rehabilitation Center, and we work in the area of communication disorder. Our center is more famous internationally in the treatment of voice disorder. We work for the people, those who are male and but speaking in a female kind of voice, and like voice disorder like dysphonia due to vocal cord paralysis, fluency disorder like stammering, functional aphonia, suddenly voice has gone completely. So we are working in that area, and our center is famous.